Hey my beauties, it's Miss Unique Beauty in the building, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own drawstring ponytail from scratch. The first thing you'll need is this 4x4 net that I got off of Amazon. I'll leave the link to that in the description box below. The next thing you'll need is some T-pins just to keep it secure on your mannequin head. And then you'll also need needle and thread. And of course, your handy dandy scissors. The hair I will be using today is kinky curly bundles from my website, pressed by MissUniqueBeautii.com. I will leave the link to this hair in the description box below. The first thing you want to do is position your net on your mannequin head exactly where you want it, to where you feel comfortable that you'll be able to sew. Then you want to use your T-pins just to secure it in place and just to make sure that it doesn't move while you're sewing. Now we're just going to proceed with sewing on our first bundle. This hair is very kinky hair, and you always want to detangle this hair from ends to root. And you really don't want to detangle this hair when this hair is dry. It's best to detangle this hair when it's wet or a little bit damp, just so that it's easier and you don't have too much breakage. The first thing I'm going to do is pass the needle through the net and then pass the needle through the weft of the bundles. Then I'll pull that thread all the way through, and then I'll go right back into the end of the thread right before the knot, stick the needle right in there just to secure it and keep it from unraveling. Now you're just going to see me sew this straight across the bottom of this net. Now that I've reached the end, I'm just going to flip that track over and just continue to sew in the other direction. I do not cut my tracks because I feel like when you cut your tracks, you do get a lot of shedding, and I don't want that. So I'm just going to continue flipping my tracks over back and forth to prevent it from shedding. I'm going to flip it over again and start sewing back in the next direction once again, and I'm just going to continue this entire process all the way up this cap until I've completely finished. I really want you guys to see me complete this entire drawstring ponytail, so there may be some parts where I'm not talking, but still stay tuned. Do not speed forward because I have something special for you guys at the end of this video. This is what it's looking like once I've completely sewn in one complete bundle. Now I'm going to attach the second bundle just like how I attached the first bundle in the beginning. I pass the needle through the net and then I pass it through the weft, and I just continue to sew and then flip it over as needed once I reach the end of each row. This is what our completed drawstring ponytail is looking like. I really love how big and full and voluminous it is. As you guys already know, I love me some big hair, and I literally only use 2 bundles of my kinky curly hair. So this hair gets really big. This ponytail was so easy to make, literally only took a few items. I will link all the items that I used in the description box below. You guys can make it quick and easy for yourself right at home. Stay tuned for my next video because I got something really special for you guys, and you guys are gonna love it. So stay tuned for that video. This ponytail will be featured in that video. So yeah, stay tuned. In this video, I was able to show you guys how to make your own drawstring ponytail quick and easy from scratch, from the beginning, by yourself. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below any questions that you may have. Like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Bye my beauties!